Shalom and welcome to Biblical Hebrew Made Easy. Today I am going to do a little review again on the alphabet, and I am going to do some consonants and vowel reading. This is the fundamentals of forming words. So let's begin with the alphabet. Aleph. It's silent. It makes a sound when it has a vowel marker at the bottom or at the top. Bet or vet. Bet with a dot. Void of the dot is vet. Gimel, Dalet, Hey, Vav, Zayin, Chet, Chet, Tet, Yod, Kaf, Kaf Sofit, which goes at the end of a word, Lamet, Mem, and Mem Sofit when it goes at the end of a word. This is either for the beginning or the middle of a word. Nun, Nun Sofit, again, end of words. Samech, Ayin is silent unless it has at the bottom or at the top. Pay, pay with a dot, or fey without the dot. And this is fey sofit, end of words. Tsadi, tzadik, tzadik, kuf, resh. Okay, you have to roll that R. Resh. Shin, shin, if it has a dot on the right side of that letter, then it's pronounced sh, shin. If it has it at the left of that letter, it's sin. And if it has no dot at all, it follows the shin, shin sound. And tav. Okay, let's go to breaking down the vowels and consonants to help you read. Okay, this is ma, ha, sa, la, sha, da, ga, va, because there's no dot, a. Now, this vowel here at the bottom of that letter, it looks like a bar or a dash, is pronounced the same way as the one that looks like a line and almost looks like a plus sign, okay? So it's pronounced the same. It's ma, ha, sa, la, sha, da, ga, va, a. And this little dot at the bottom gives it the E sound. So that's me, he, si, li, si. Remember the dot at the left of that sheen. Di, gi, vi, and e. And I chose a very popular word that is pretty much international. Everybody knows when they hear shalom, it means hello or peace. So I am going to give you your first popular word vocabulary. All right, here is our shin. And this one has no dots. So again, if it has no dots, it is pronounced sh. So it's sha. This is the lamet, the L, which looks very similar to ours. Ours is a line and a little dash, and almost looks like it's upside down from this lamet. So this is all, aw. Okay, this is a vav, with a dot at the top, and that gives it the sound oh. So it's oh. It's a vav, but with a dot, it makes the sound oh. So we have sha, l, oh, and this is a mem suffix, which goes at the end of a word. Okay, it's like our M, and here we have it again. Sha, l, om. So there's that entire word. Shalom. Okay. If you have enjoyed these lessons, and if you're not subscribed to my channel, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and give it a like. Also, you can become a patron and receive my handouts whenever they are available. You can ask me questions. You can request for a lesson topic in Biblical Hebrew. So see the description area for details about Tehillah Ministries, which has a few different channels. It has a music channel and a Hebrew channel. So again, Shalom.